Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Is this highly anticipated Galaxy S26 Ultra upgrade still on the cards? Despite recent reports, an update for the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still on the roadmap. According to the latest available data, a well-known insider has revealed Samsung's most potential upgrade, which we haven't seen in the last few years. Let's dive into the full video for full fresh details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung hasn't upgraded the charging speeds on its Galaxy S Ultra model for several years now, sticking with 45 watts wired charging. Earlier reports about the Galaxy S26 Ultra had suggested that it may finally offer 60 watts fast charging speed. Rumors of improved charging speeds for the Galaxy S26 Ultra have resurfaced. After years of subpar speeds, Samsung will finally deliver this much-needed update, if the leaks prove accurate. Now, prolific leaker Phone Art on X, better known as Ice Universe, has confirmed that the new Galaxy S26 Ultra will ship with 60 watts fast charging speed, up from 45 watts. The report doesn't provide any additional details or a source, but it does say they're reaffirming this update for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This charging speed won't be the only upgrade for the phone. As a recent report claimed, Samsung plans to use the new M14 material with Co-E display technology for the OLED panel. This will make the panel thinner, yet brighter and more energy efficient. For the past two generations, Samsung has used M13 material and a polarizing layer for its flagship phones, although foldable phones, starting with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, have featured Co-E technology. More clarity about this is likely to emerge once we have more leaks popping up closer to launch. Until then, it's best to make peace with the fact that at least 45 watts is guaranteed. It will be a pleasant surprise if Samsung does end up upgrading the Galaxy S26 Ultra charging speed to 60 watts. The smartphones are credited with two single-chip systems, Samsung's Exynos 2600 and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, for the Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge models, and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, based on TSMC's 3nm process. Additionally, the Exynos 2600 may feature a new thermal system, called Heat Path Block, to improve stability and efficiency. The new Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup will officially launch in early next year, alongside the other family members, the Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.